Construct part A. Point C such that U is equal to OC. How to construct point C so that vector U is equal to vector OC?
استاذ ما بعرف اذا صح بس مش الفيكتور يو هو الفيكتور للسي بي.
لا ما قال علاء.
اه
Vector U is equal to vector OC. So from point O, you draw a vector equal to vector U. To remind you again, these three are given. Points O and B and vector U are given. The question, you have to plot point C. This is a new point, point C, so that vector U is equal to vector OC. Initial point is O. You start from the initial point, the given point, O. Draw from O a vector equal to vector U. From O, you draw a vector equal to vector U. Same direction, same sense, same magnitude. So here is point C. This one is equal to this. Well, on your copybook, not necessarily to draw it in this way, O, B, and U. Any 2 points and any vector U. Okay. On your copybook, you have to construct it. You have to construct the point C according to the given. Here is point C. But you have to know how to construct the point C. You have to understand. Okay? Clear?
يس استاذ.
The second one. Point E, so that OE is equal to OB plus OC. OB plus OC.
مش قصة بتطلع شو اسمه؟
شو اسمه؟
شكل بارم.
مظبوط. You have OB plus OC. You complete the parallelogram. From C, you draw a vector, or not necessarily vector. You draw a line parallel to BC, to OB, and from B you draw a line E. Fourth vertex of the parallelogram as an height parallel, and from here parallel to this.
المحل ما بيلتقوا بتكون point E.
Okay. Here we have, according to the Parm rule, E is the fourth vertex of the Parm OBEC. Again, to draw this point or to plot this point, from B draw a line parallel to OC, from C draw a line parallel to OB. The point intersection will be point E, because here you will get the parallelogram OBEC. And simply you can check your answer. Once you draw the figure, OB plus OC, is it equal to OE? Yes. The Parm rule, the diagonal, we have the same initial point. OB plus OC, the answer is O something. Okay. The diagonal, OE. Clear?
Yes.
يس استاذ.
Part C and D, I'll keep it as a homework for you. Part 2, or number 2. Simplify. We have vector A it's equal to AB plus DC minus DB minus AC.
استاذ فينا نبلش بالفاكتور دي سي minus فاكتور دي بي؟
فينا نبلش بالبدك اياه. Here we don't have this is the only way. لا انت اعطوني start DC minus DB. طيب واحد بيقول لك استاذ انا بدي اخذ AB minus AC فهي اوكي ظبطت تزبط. لا واحد بيقول لك هي لا انا بدي اخذ AB and DB DC with AC استفد كل واحد كلهم صح بس على شرط طبعا يودونا نفس الرزق. اوكي طيب here I can say AB plus DC. This one, how to change it? Plus
BD.
plus BD. And plus
CA.
CA. Okay. Right. Look at the vectors who have same initial and final. Two vectors, one of them, or they have same initial point, same. I mean, the initial point of one of them is the terminal point of the second. We have AB, CA.
CA.
Then the answer will be CB. We have DC and BD.
بتطلع CB.
So I can say AB plus CA. I'm going to write it here. CA plus AB. It's CB, not BC.
CB.
Okay? مش انه BC لا.
اوكي.
إذا بتضيعوا فيهم يكتبون هيك على جنب، مهم انه هودي inner points هن ذاتهم هيك plus not times. Okay? And the answer is CB. Plus for this we have BD plus DC. The answer is BC.
BC.
Plus BC. Now CB plus BC.
Zero vector.
Zero vector.
صح استاذ.
These vectors are opposite vectors. You can write it in two ways. I can write it CC. CC, it's same point, CC, which is 0. Or you can write it CB. Here change, plus will be minus. And flip these 2 points, minus CB. CB minus CB is 0. So you can write it in the way you like. You can write it mentally. CB and BC are opposite vectors. So their sum is 0. Zero vector, be careful again. Okay? Clear?
Okay.
Any questions?
No.
Sounds good. Is it complicated?
No.
Good. Okay. Part B or part 2?
No. استاذ في حلو لبارت بي.
Yes. Vector
Part 2.
B.
اوكي.
It's AB minus CD. Minus AC plus BA. Yeah.
اوكي استاذ. هي ذاتها فيكتور اي بي بلس فيكتور دي سي بلس فيكتور سي اي بلس فيكتور بي اي.
Okay. Plus DC. So here minus CD, you can write it plus DC. Minus AC, it's plus CA.
Plus CA.
Plus BA. Okay, continue.
اوكي استاذ اذا تعمل مثل الطريقه الفوقانيه حيطلع عندنا سيم بوينت واللي هي البي والسي وهن اوبوزيت، يعني حتطلع اي جاس لانه اذا الاي بي والبي اي حيطلع بي حيطلع اي اي.
Okay.
هيطلع zero vector.
والدي سي والسي اي
وديك
هتطلع
تطلع
دي اي.
اي دي
دي اي.
دي اي.
مين اللي عم بيشارك؟ ايفانا يمكن كمان عم تحكي معك. It's DA. You said AD. So DC plus CA, it's DA. And for vectors AD and BA, these two vectors
vector.
are opposite vectors,
Zero.
so their sum is 0. So the final answer will be DA. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes, استاذ.
Good. Okay. So please for tomorrow, well, I'm going to write it on the group.
tomorrow
So
off
exercises.
أستاذ.
Sorry?
بكرة عطلة.
tomorrow off.
مظبوط. For Thursday يعني. Please solve exercises 1, parts CD, exercise 2, parts 3 and 4, and exercise 3. Okay?
اوكي استاذ.
استاذ بيكتب على
Thank you.
الجروب
هلا هكتبها على
لما احنا
الجروب. حتى ما انسى وضيع.
اوكي ماشي.
نعم؟
النوتس.
النوتس صراحة بعد مش كتبهم، بطبعهم وببعتكم اياهم.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Same to you.
See you on Thursday.
See you.
Welcome. Thank you.
Welcome.